Area is length times width. So the formula for area is length times width. So if we look at this shape and we look at the length here is 10. The width is 3. So I'm going to do 10 times 3. And remember, area, I'm looking at what is on the inside of the shape. I'm doing the area of the inside, the surface area of the shape. So I'm going to do 10 times 3. 10 times 3 is 30. So the area for this shape is 30. All right, let's try another one. Okay, again, I'm going to be doing length times width equals area. So again, I'm looking at what's on the inside. So I'm looking at what's on the inside of here. Again, I'm going to do my formula for length times width. Length is 8, width is 5. So 8 times 5, I know using my multiplication facts that 8 times 5 is 40. So the area of this shape is 40. That's what's on the inside, the surface area, what's on the inside of the shape. All right, let's try another one. Again, length times width equals area. If I can remember that formula, I can solve for area. So length times width. So I'm going to say 7, which is my length. My width is 5, so 7 times 5, right? 7 times 5 is 35. That's what's on the inside of this shape, 35. So the area here is 35. All right. Length times width equals area. Let's see if you can try this on your own. Okay. What would be my length? What would be my width? So my length, if you said your length is 8, you are correct. If you said your width is 3, you are correct. 8 times 3. Again, if I don't know what 8 times 3 is, I'm going to use one of my multiplication strategies. So remember, I have multiplication strategies. I can say 8 plus 8 plus 8. That's a strategy, right? Repeated addition. I can also do 3 groups of 8, right? And I can put dots inside instead of drawing the eights. But I need to know a strategy if I don't know what 8 times 3 is. So 8 times 3 is 24. So my area for this shape is 24. So the inside of the shape is 24. All right, pause your video and try these 4 questions on your own. Make sure you write it down and practice the strategy, especially if you don't know the multiplication. Try a multiplication strategy to be able to solve for these equations. Also want to remind you that if I have the squares drawn, I can still use multiplication because I'm going to show you I can count 1, 2, 3, 4. So this side is 4. Then I'm going to count the top 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. I can do 4 times 5, or I can count all the squares on the inside to figure out the area. That's using multiple strategies. Try this on your own. All right, don't forget that don't forget to subscribe. Also, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and I also have products on Kahoot and Teachers Pay Teachers.